Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back. So in today's video we will do the unboxing of Miniso Hi-Fi metal earphones. So without any delay, let's start the video. So on the front side we get to see the picture of the earphone, which is in pink color. Hi-Fi metal earphone is written over here. And on the back the other specifications of the earphones are written. It tells us about the length of the earphone, the sound frequency. Another thing that it tells us is that it's not waterproof, so we should not try to put it in water. These earphones are also compatible with iOS and Android, and they have a built-in microphone. So now let's unbox these earphones. So viewers, we have opened the box, and now let's talk about the build quality of these headphones. Well, the wire is completely made out of rubber. It's not out of a cloth type material, and I could say that the build quality is quite solid. This part of the earphones I think is made out of metal. Well, the rest is completely plastic. Yes, these all are plastic. Here are the volume controls and the assistant button. These earphones are quite comfortable to wear and provide a good sound insulation. They have this almost the same design as the AKG headphones. Testers that I tried had a good sound quality, so I expect them the same from this also. As you guys can see, the length of the wire is also quite sufficient. It stretches out quite a long way. So viewers, this was the unboxing video of the Miniso Hi-Fi metal earphones. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down in the box below. Also, the review of this earphone will be posted soon to my channel, so stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.
Built an empire.